Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add music on Capcut from YouTube. All you have to do is go to your YouTube app, then search a music you want. But for me, I will type for no copyright music. Then choose here a music, any what you want. Then, if you're done, click on download. Click again download. After downloading, go back to your Capcut app. Select new project. Then choose a video you want. Then click add at the bottom. Now, for the audio or music, click add audio. Then select sounds at the bottom. And then select the second icon and select from device. Now, in the search bar, search the music downloaded on YouTube. After that, click the plus sign in the right side. And after that, you've extracted audio on your Capcut. If you're done, click on the save at the right side corner. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.